Hello, my name is Uke Emele from georginaworld.com. Welcome to my web agency fortune review. Welcome once again to my channel. Here in my channel, I review latest software and information products, giving you or bringing to you vital information that will help you decide on whether to have it or not. So today we are going to be reviewing this product by Mario Brown that will be going up on sale at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 23rd of September, that is tomorrow. So this product, in this review, we are going to have an overview of this product, looking at the benefits and the features, and also some wonderful bonuses that I have packaged for this launch. So as you can see here is the sales page of this software. Look at what it says. It said, incredible offer for agencies, local and video marketers to get high paying clients. So create and sell the most stunning business websites ever offered on JVZoo. 100% done for you, 100% WordPress based, mobile optimized, and 100% ready to sell in minutes without any design or coding skills needed whatsoever. So start your own website agency in minutes from now and profit from rabid buyers like doctors, attorneys, restaurants, contractors, and many other niches, commercial licensing included. Sell to clients immediately. So most interesting thing about this web agency fortune is that it is a done for you web agency business. So look at it, it's a 100% customizable, and it has wonderful templates here. It creates and install within minutes, built for WordPress, easy to use, sell to prospects today. Commercial rights included, beautiful royalty-free images here. No coding ever, no design skill needed. 12 stunning business websites is included. Content plus save video included. So we are going to take a look at this product critically, but before I do so, let me introduce you to my bonus page. For I have, as I said earlier, I have packaged wonderful, I will call it insane bonuses for you in this launch. So welcome to Georgina Insane Bonus Bundle. And I want to also bring to your notice that these bonuses will only stay up to 26th day of September at exactly 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After that time, these bonuses will go down. So let me introduce you to the bonuses. The first bonus I have for you in this sale is called Insurgency. It is a wonderful high quality tutorial package that I'm giving out to you in this launch. I have also another bonus which is called How to Make an App in Less than 25 minutes. This particular high quality tutorial will guide you on making apps. Within 25 minutes, you can just do your apps in any niche. Then the next bonus I have for you is build your Facebook following fast. That is a high quality tutorial on how you can build your Facebook following very, very fast. And also I have bonus number 4, which is called Continuum Done for You. It is a product by John Armstrong, but I'm giving it out as a bonus in this sale. Then I have also the bonus number 5, which is vendor bonuses. These are wonderful bonuses that the vendor Mario Brown have given me to give out to you. So if you buy this product through my link, you will have access to these bonuses. And also, how do you get these bonuses? All you just have to do is click at the link below and get to this my bonus page. Well, there's a link below this video. Just click on it and it brings you to this my bonus page. Click on any of these yellow buttons. Once you do that, it takes you directly to the sales page of Mario Brown. And here you can see in this sales page, all you just need is click here and lock up your product. Click on this button here, you can see here. Click on here, you can just click here and get access to this product. So then if you want to get the bonuses, just go to JVZoo, and the bonuses in your JVZoo account, the bonuses will be here where I put a red arrow. Just click there and you have access to these bonuses. So let us look at the various prices and upsells that are available in this with this product. First, you have the front end of this product. It goes for $47. This particular front end gives you access to 11 local business websites, web design agency websites, and promotion videos. These are the things you are going to see in the front end of it. Then, but if you take the upgrade, which I would recommend you, at least this first upgrade, or you can take more upgrade, the second upgrade. This first upgrade will remove the watermark because the watermarks will be in the front end. But the first upgrade will remove the watermark, then prospecting emails, and you have agency legal document templates. Then you have the OTO number 2, which is the second upgrade. This is called Web Agency Fortune Extended Niches. It goes for $97. This one gives you 25 additional niches. Remember, the first one gives you only 11, but this one gives you additional 25, and still there will be no watermark. You have the OTO number 3, which is the third upgrade. This is called Extra Marketing Material for 40 niches. Remember, the OTO 2 has up to 25 additional niches, but this time around is going to be for 40 niches. So this one it goes for $77. Here you have 40 PPT videos and 500 plus social media images. Then you have the OTO number 4, which is called Local Video Fortune. It goes for $67. This one gives you access to 60 local videos in 20 niches, US and UK voiceover. Then you have the whiteboard and blackboard version. You have also PowerPoint templates and the square videos. These are the things you're going to see in the upgrades. I will advise you take at least the first or the second upgrade, at least the minimum, because you can see many features are attached. The front end will just give you only access to 11 business website and web design agency website and promotion video. But if you upgrade it, then you have access to wonderful features that you will not regret. Then look at a few benefits you are going to get if you have this product. One is that you have 11 stunning full page business website templates, at least in the minimum. Then you have one incredible web design agency website, 2 professional sales video, UK and US voice over. Then it has a done for you web agency business, and each template is 100% customizable. I repeat, each template is 100% customizable. Then it have also fast and easy to install, WordPress based and extremely search engine optimization friendly. No coding, no headaches, autoresponder integrations, fully mobile optimized, and they also have a 30 days money back guarantee. That is it. Then look at what it said. The web agency Fortune is collection of done for you website that help you grow your business. If you're in need of any website for your business or looking to redesign your current one, then web agency Fortune is what you need. Do you know that over 80% of your potential customers, they visit your website before coming to your business? So your website is very, very vital. You see, you need a beautiful, functional, responsive website to be your reception area, public relation face, and salesperson on the internet. Let Web Agency Fortune help you design website that actually grow your business in any or some of these niches. Some of these include the web design agency, dentist, family lawyer, personal injury lawyer, child care, pet growing, pizza restaurant, coffee shop, chiropractor, roofing contractor, tree service, HVAC contractor, and so on and so forth. There are many more others. So that is what this is all about. So let me run you through the sales page so that you can see some of the more features that are in this. As you can see, it says here, profit in 3 simple steps. It said the first step is pick a niche. Then the second step, install our stunning website template and customize in minutes. Then third step is sell and profit from local businesses and buy selling on freelance sites. Examples below. So you can see it here. These are some of the customized templates. You can see these are this dentist, family lawyer, personal injury lawyer, website. These are stunning templates that are highly optimized for conversion. These templates are highly optimized for conversion, so don't miss out this package. So you can see, let me run you through the sales page so you can see how wonderful this thing, this package is. You can see. So that is it. So if you're interested in having this product, all you just need to do is don't get it without getting at this my bonuses, because these bonuses I have packaged for you are wonderful bonuses. They are, as a matter of fact, these are real hacks that I have packaged for you, which you won't see anywhere else. So just click on the link below and it brings you to this my sales bonus page. Then get access to these bonuses. These are wonderful bonuses. You are not going to see it easily anywhere. So don't buy this product without getting these bonuses, because these bonuses will highly help you. So that is the review, and if you have any comment, please drop at the comment section and I will get back to you. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that each time this review come up, because this channel will review software and information product regularly. So each time review come up, you will get the review instantly. And also don't forget to like our page, and please, if you want to get this product, don't forget to click at the link below and brings you to this my bonus page, where you click on this yellow button and have access to this product.